been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking.
Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. My name is Keela. If this is your first time stopping by, what's up? If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to do a simple smoky eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed creating it. It was so much fun and it was so simple and easy. So yeah, if you like it, give me some thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. All products will be listed down below. If you're interested in where I got this shirt from, I will also leave the information down below as well as my discount code. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I already done my eyebrows off camera. We're gonna get right into the eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. Then I'm just gonna take some black liquid eyeliner and just put it all over my eye and blend it out. I'm gonna use it as my base for my black eyeshadow for the smoky eye. And let's just try to blend it out. Like I said, that's the base, so. I know it look a little crazy right now, but just trust the process. And just try to blend it out as best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I am going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be using these two shades, Noir and Dystopian. And I'm just going to take Noir and I'm just going to dab it all over my eye on top of that black eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go in with that dystopian shade I was telling you about, this brown right here, and just blend it out. Then I'm gonna go back in the black and focus on my crease more.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know.
Put our lashes on. I'm using the Kiss lashes in the style brassiere today.
get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a makeup wipe and clean up the black from underneath my eyes.
Knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that
I just feel like with a smoky eye, you gotta have dramatic eyelashes. I mean, if you're gonna go bold all the way, right? Okay, so now on to the face. And I'm just about to hydrate my face with some facial oil. And today I am trying the I Love Revolution Peach Delight Mattifying Primer. There we go. It smells really good.
I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up, don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere.
And I'm gonna use my favorite foundation, the Smashbox Studio Finish. Y'all know I've been using this foundation in every video. This is my favorite foundation, literally.
I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you.
I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and my Urban Decay Concealer and conceal underneath my eyes and highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques sponge and wet it, damp it up, and we're gonna blend all of that out.
Someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So
Then I'm just gonna take the other side of the sponge and put my powder on it and set my concealer. And I just like to push it into the skin.
if you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright. If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl.
Okay, today I'm gonna go in with a new bronzer palette, or it's my first time trying it. It is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour palette, and I'm gonna use these two colors to bronze and contour my face.
Don't get me wrong, no, don't get me wrong. I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright. If you want love, just give it up.
And I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakerie Better Not Bitter Coffee and Cocoa palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here for blush. Then I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Powder Foundation. And I'm just gonna go in and set my makeup, blend it all out. And I'm gonna go in the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey palette. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna use these two colors to highlight. Now we're gonna go in and smoke out the bottom waterline. You can just use a black eyeliner if you want, but I'm going to use the black eyeshadow. If I can find the brush I'm looking for. See, I told y'all I stay struggling. But you only know that if you watch my Ulta haul. Have you watched my Ulta haul? If not, go check it out. I think you'll like it. In it, I'm just talking about a bunch of products that I bought from Ulta. Some of them I actually tried in this video. I'll let you guys know if I like them and they get incorporated into the routine. But yeah, go check that video out. I'm just gonna take that mascara and put some mascara on my bottom.
Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't.
Now I'm gonna go in with this teak color and put that in my inner corner, just to give me an inner corner highlight.
What we do, it stays between me and you, me and.
I'm gonna take what's left over and just highlight my eyebrows too.
It stays between me.
So I gotta go back in and bring my beauty marks back. I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray in Sweet Peach.
'Cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do this. I feel so.
Y'all, this smells amazing. Like, oh my gosh. I love the smell of peach anyways, but it smells so good. And I like to use multiple setting sprays. So I'm gonna also go in with this Mario Badescu facial spray. Just because I want to make sure it's locked in place and it's gonna last all day. I'm just gonna go on with the other end of my sponge and just dab it dry. Now on to the lips. Today I will be using the LA Girls Perfect Precision Lip Liner and Blushing. And this is what it looks like. And I will be using the Morphe Matte Lipstick in the Talk. This is what it looks like.
Let's be happy, then let's be happy, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you.
Then I'm gonna go on top of that with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fussy. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me some thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up.